Welcome back to the Reload Bench. Lately on the precious metals market, the price of silver has gone up. If you've invested in silver in the past, you're doing pretty good. And if you want to get into it right now, you're going to be paying a premium. I haven't let that hinder me though. I decided to go ahead and make an investment in silver myself. So for today's unboxing, we're getting this package from Moriarty, New Mexico. If you've watched some of my videos in the past, you know who's in Moriarty. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what I got. So I ordered this on February 10th and it came in on February 24th. Shipping was free. Now they shipped it in a padded pack and they reinforced the top of the envelope here with some heavy packing tape. I thought it might have come in a box, but this packaging is probably going to be adequate. Because of all this extra tape, it's a little bit difficult to slide the pocket knife in there, so I'm going to go ahead and use scissors to open it. So this is a reshoot because in the original edit, I was interrupted by a door-to-door meat salesman.
That's grade A, top choice meat.
That's a first. Anyhow, what I ended up getting from Armaspec was their Superlight Lower Parts Kit. Now they offer these kits in different colors. I ordered it in silver. But you might notice in the kit here, the S3 Enhanced Trigger Guard is black. That's because when you go to check out on the Armaspec website, they have a comments box. And I put in the comments box that in the past, I had ordered their S3 trigger guard in silver. I already have one. Could they open up this blister pack and insert a black one in there in place of it? And you can see they accommodated me. Now, in addition to that, I decided to go ahead and order the S1 trigger guard in silver and the S2 trigger guard in silver. So now I have the option of using any of these three trigger guards in silver, and if I want to perhaps build up a bare lower, or if I want to take one of my completed ARs and just give it a little color, I've got the silver Victory charging handle, I've got the silver mag release and ambidextrous safety and takedown pins, and I have my choice of 3 different silver finished trigger guards. To give you an idea of some of the other colors they have, here's the S1 trigger guard in red and the S2 in olive green. So if you go onto the Armaspec website, you might find a color that you like, and with the prices of firearms being ridiculously high and the availability being difficult to source, you might just get something with a little bit of color and maybe spruce up your existing AR-15 and give it a little bit of a character of its own. In a recent video, I showed this blue mag from Ammunition Storage Components, and this week I went to my FFL and I found a green Duramag. So there are other options that you've got if you want to kind of give your old firearm some color, or if you're doing a purpose-built assembly of an AR-15 with a theme. In addition, in the comments section, I asked Armaspec to include some stickers, and they did. These are just like the ones that you would get, say, at NRAM, which was canceled in 2020, unfortunately. So if anybody out there needs a little bit of swag for one of their giveaways, just send me an email or a text and let me know. One last thing. I decided to go ahead and throw on the order their spare parts kit. This is an OOPS kit, more or less. That's actually what they were calling it last year. And these are all of the little pieces that you might lose if you're assembling a bare lower. So, another purchase from Armaspec. I'm satisfied with my purchase. It did take a couple weeks to get here, which I kind of didn't like, but the shipping was free and it showed up intact. So I would absolutely recommend Armaspec, having used them in the past, if you're looking for a quality American-made source for parts for your AR-15. Thanks for watching. Why do I have a 1911 mag over here? All right, try again, and action. All right, get out the old buck knife. You see It's a bubble padded pack, and it's been reinforced with tape. So they have taken some care as far as packaging this up. I thought it might show up in a box, though. Okay, we're not going to use the knife. So I'm reshooting this part of the video because in the original edit, we got a knock on the door from a door-to-door meat salesman. That's a first. In addition to the parts kit here, I also got the S2 trigger guard in silver. I'm sorry. Let me this again. Damn. So I've had to reshoot this part of the video. I was tongue-tied now. So what did I end up getting? I ended up investing in some silver. I've had to reshoot this because while I was shooting the first edit, we got a knock on the door. A door-to-door meat salesman. That's a new one for me. So let me show you what I got from Armaspec here. Alright. That's got me all messed up now. Hey,